This is day 28 of flower in the Spider Farmer 2x2 grow, and she's starting to stack. What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Spider Farmer 2x2 grow. And if y'all been following along, you already know this grow been dialed in from the very start. There's two main things I want to get done today. First, I just want to get in here and do another good defoliation and get rid of some more of these lower branches. Then we'll talk about our environment, what I'm going to have my VPD target as, and our light intensity. Because those are probably the two most important things at this stage. Let's get into it.
Yeah, it's THC rich, got the tips and the tricks. Plant game strong, watch the buds get thick. KC roots, yeah, I'm planting my claim. Organic flow, no pro, just a bro in the game.
Y'all see these pistol tips right here? A lot of them are already turning purple. Hopefully that's a sign of what's to come later on in flower. I still got about 5 or 6 weeks left though, but right now, she looks good and healthy. That's what a good environment does. If you keep your VPD dialed in, keep your light intensity right, and keep your soil healthy, this plant pretty much grows itself. All right, let's talk about the light for a second. Right now, I'm targeting the PPFD of about 900. If you don't know, PPFD is just how much light is actually hitting the canopy of your plants. So for me, 900 is in that sweet spot for this stage. Remember, 900 PPFD is a target. It's not a rule. You gotta check your plants every day. If your leaves start looking stressed out and curling up at the edges, that's what we call toggling. And that's your plant telling you it can't handle that much light. So if you see that, just lower your light intensity, give it a day, and see how your plants respond. Some genetics can handle 900 easy, but some of them need to work up to it. This Grapes and Cream has handled it well. Right now I'm targeting a VPD of 1.3 to 1.5. That'll make sure the plant can transpire properly and pull more water and nutrients through the root zone. VPD is just a calculation of temperature and humidity. If you let it get too low, your plant growth can slow down. If it gets too high, it can stress your plant out. Because of where I'm at, this time of year, sometimes it can be a little difficult to get my VPD to 1.5. Because this tent's just sucking in the air from the room I'm in, I might have to throw a dehumidifier in here just to dehumidify this whole room. That way when my inline fan kicks on, the air being sucked into the tent will already be dry. Now I'm gonna do another defoliation and clean up the lower part of this plant. All this stuff down here isn't getting enough light to develop into anything worth keeping. It's just gonna be larf. So I'm not gonna overcomplicate it. If it don't look like it's getting enough light, I'm taking it off. With the full tent like this, stagnant air is my enemy. So cleaning up these lowers also gonna help with my airflow. All right, look at it now. Clean stocks, better airflow, and all that energy is going to those top buds now instead of creating a larf down at the bottom. There it is, y'all. This is day 28 of flower. Plant's healthy, no issues, and it's starting to stack. If y'all are interested in getting any Spider Farmer gear, make sure y'all use discount code THCRICH, It'll save you some bread at checkout. I'll see y'all on the next update. Until then, smoke good, do better. Peace.